Hi guys, if you missed the previous video, I'm looking for a suitable flat spring to replace the suspension on my WPL B1. It's simple flat spring suspension, and on that one, as you can probably see, is broken. You can get replacements. I've had a look online and I can see somewhere that's still selling them, but they're quite expensive, so I am looking for somewhere that I can find a piece of flat spring steel that will do the job. I found this egg timer in my stock, so I thought I'd have a look, see what size spring it's got in it. We want a spring that is 5 millimeters thick. Oh, that one's thinner than that. Quite a bit thinner. Okay. Well, previous video I showed you a couple of other options I had. One of them, it was about 8 millimeters wide, thick, whichever way you want to call that. I mean, to be honest, that might do the job. I think it'd be, yeah, it's probably a bit too thin. So, oh, I did show you in the previous video, this one didn't actually work, which is why I wasn't too worried about it springing apart, all the bits flying around. And that spring is much too small for what I want. Can't imagine those gears will be any good for anything, but they will go in my box of gears, along with that one. And then that bit there is actually the bell. Can we make a sound? No, where were we? On that one? No, wasn't that one. That's too loose. Must be other way up. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, that one can go in the bin. So I might save the gears for my box of gears. And that spring is a little bit too small. So I'll have to go and have a look elsewhere. See what else I can find in my stock. I've got quite a lot of clockwork stuff. I suppose we can count this as a disassembly video. That doesn't want to come apart easily. Never mind. Yeah, that bit linked onto that bit. So you would wind it up, which would wind that up. And then it got a spring detent there to, is that the right word? I can't remember. Oh, the name of that is on the tip of my tongue and I just can't remember. Pallet. So as that swings or is moved, that can go one step at a time, which is how you get your ticking. Yeah, that'll do. That lot can say they can go in my gears box, rest will go in the bin, and that's not big enough for what I want. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.